In this video, I'll guide you through how to add custom MX records on Namecheap. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look out for, and how to avoid the most common mistake that can stop your email from working. First, sign into your Namecheap account and head over to your main dashboard. Once you're there, look for the domain list on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where all the domains in your account are listed. Find the domain you want to set up email for, and then click the Manage button next to that domain. This will open the settings page for that specific domain. Near the top of this page, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Advanced DNS. This section is where Namecheap lets you control all the detailed DNS settings for your domain, including the MX records that handle your email routing. Before you add anything, there's a very important check you need to do. Scroll down until you see the host records section. This section contains different types of DNS records like A records, CNAMEs, and others. Look carefully for a CNAME record where the host is set to the @ symbol. The @ symbol represents your root domain, and if that host is using a CNAME, it will conflict with any MX records you try to set up. If you find a CNAME record for the @ symbol, go ahead and delete it. This step is critical. CNAME records and MX records cannot coexist on the same host. If you leave that CNAME there, your MX records either won't save correctly or your email simply won't be delivered. After you remove it, give the page a moment to update and make sure it's gone from the list. Once that's taken care of, keep scrolling down until you reach the mail settings section. This is where Namecheap decides how email is handled for your domain. You'll see a drop-down menu with several options. If it's currently set to no email service, that means no MX records are active for this domain. Click on that drop-down and change it to custom MX. By choosing custom MX, you're telling Namecheap that you want to manually define which mail servers should handle email for this domain. This is the option you'll use if you're setting up email with a third-party provider or custom mail server. After you switch to custom MX, you'll see the interface update so that you can add your own MX records. Now click the Add New Record button. This will create a new line where you can enter the MX record details provided by your email host, such as the mail server address and priority value. From here, you would enter each MX record your email provider has given you, making sure the host, value, and priority match exactly. When you're done adding all the records, don't forget to save your changes on the page so everything is applied. That's all you need to do to prepare Namecheap for custom MX records. Open the domain's advanced DNS settings, remove any conflicting CNAME on the root, switch mail settings to custom MX, and start adding your new MX records.